Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke here on Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuff and budgeting, paying off our debt and mind our business, and not necessarily in them for orders. So if that is something that you are interested in, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button while turning on your notification bell, while hitting the like button, and leaving your 2 cents, which is your comments, down in the description box, okay? But as you guys can see today, we are wasting no time, baby, because truth be told, y'all, it is 5:19 right now when I'm recording this video, and we're gonna be here for a good time, not a long time. So what? Let's do this budget closeout. So let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so let's get into it, little baby. Let's give it no time and let's give it no trace. So here's the tea. Okay, so my bills account, she stuck with her $619.30. We love her for that. Okay, and then my rental income did give me an extra $200. So boom, bada bang, we working with what we working with, and we stayed at $819.30 for my total income for the month. I didn't have anything under expenses. I didn't pay no bills this for this check, so that still stayed at zero. So my total remaining is $619 right here, because if you guys do not know, this is your first time seeing my video, my expenses only comes from my bills account money. And so that is what is put in this section. If it doesn't come out of my bills account, it will not be put in expenses. Everything else, sinking funds, cash envelope, everything will be funded by my second income, which is my rental income, okay? So moving down to my cash envelope, tithes and groceries and all the good jazz. I did put $20 in tithes because hello, the Lord, okay? And I did put $15 in groceries, but all the help that was, okay? Your girl was out here like spending way too much money. Way too much money. If y'all see cash envelope stuff in number 3, then y'all know what was up. Nothing in gas, no allowance, no household, no toiletries, no hair care, okay? We was like, no, cash envelopes doesn't really need all that much. So we're just gonna fulfill what needs to be filled, okay? And that was my tithes and my groceries, and my gas was doing really well actually, so I didn't really need it for real. So that gave me a total of $35, and when you subtract 35 from that 200 that was up here that we started with an income source, that had me remaining with $165, all right? So now we're gonna move that $165 over into my sinking funds portion, right? So emergency fund, oh, let me take her out. There we go. So emergency fund portion, right? She did get her $20 because she is that girl and she is the now. Home maintenance did get $10 because, child, we never know what might happen. Car maintenance did get $10 as well. Car insurance will get $10 because in 6 months, what your girl got to do what your girl got to do. Travel also got $10. This is just tens across the board. And then my birthday was supposed to get $20, but there was some mix up in the calculations, child. And this was actually calculated as $70 when it was actually $80. This is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 80. But for some reason, whatever reason, when I calculated, child, I said $70. So I did put $10 into my birthday money instead of the 20, and that basically left me being at 70s girl, okay? And so yes, I still did remain with my $95 that, ooh, child, that was remaining after my sinking funds was stuffed, child, okay? And then what did I do with that $95? I put 15 in my 1 month ahead. And then I put 80 in my saving challenges, and you guys know, you guys know, man, there's a lot of great things that's been happening in the month of March, even though it's been my struggle month. Like, baby, when I tell you $95, that is my total, that is my total that I spent Oh, not I spent, that I allocated for additional savings. So that's my 1 month ahead of my saving challenges, which leaves me with nothing remaining. 0 in additional debt will go with the girls, and then nothing down there because I didn't have anything extra that I was paying for. So my income source, it stayed at $819.30, right? No expenses, cash envelopes was $35. Sinking funds after we changed it and made the official update was $70. Additional savings was $95. And so that left me with a remaining balance, no additional debt, of $619.30. And you guys will notice this is the same amount that is right here, which is the same amount that was in my bills account. And that is how I do my closeout, you know, boom, bada, bang. The only thing I wanted to show you guys other than this, because if you've seen my cash stuff in there, you know what's up. But if you have not, let me show you guys how you get yourself into problems, okay? Into problems. Let me see, let me make sure I'm good. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Let me make sure I'm good. Okay, so this, let me show you guys. So the 15, okay. So this was how I got myself into problems. So during this week, right, my paycheck is from 8 March up until 14 March because my next check is on the 15th. This is all the things that I bought, right? These are all the things, oh y'all seen the light. These are all the things that I bought from March 8th to March 15th. So I went to Moe's. Y'all, it's really be eating out that be getting me. But I went to Moe's and I got Moe's for $11.53. Then I bought my plane ticket, $3.76. Your girl had to buy a plane ticket. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You know what it is. My internet is a bill, so I'll pay that regardless. Okay, that was going to be fine because I came out of the bills account. Sweet Pepper is the Jamaican restaurant that is right outside of my base, and so your girl spent $30 there. The food was busting, I ain't even gonna lie to you, it was. But again, it got me into trouble. Between that $30 and this $11 right here, that's $41, y'all. And I be eating good. I'm just letting y'all know. If nothing else, I'll be eating good. The legal templates, I needed that for 1 more month because I needed to do everything with my roommate moving out. So that is what that is for. I needed some legal documentation. So yep, Popeyes was on March 13th. Your girl was out here still eating, and that was for $16. Them wings, y'all, oh my god, y'all had the sweet and spicy wing from Popeyes. Gets me every time. It's my go-to lunch at this point. I'm trying to curve, y'all, but that's what that $16, that $15.49, aka $16 is for. Then at Walmart, I spent $46.05 because your girl actually bought food to cook to eat. Yeah. Then I bought breakfast for $4.50. I statement credited myself because I had some points. Spent $5.64 at Walmart because I needed pasta sauce. And so that's how that happened. And then on March 15th, I went to the Korean restaurant and I spent $38.72 because apparently I wanted to eat. And then I spent $15.52 at Dollar Tree, and that was for my subordinate's promotion. So that was an unexpected bill, but same thing, tomato. Also a part of the Korean restaurant too, that $38.72 was also me paying, like canceling out. So me and my supervisor basically like tag team the promotion ceremony and buying the things for it. And so she had bought like a cake, and so I was gonna pay like half of the cake, which would have been like $20 or whatever. But instead of doing that, I actually just bought her Korean food, and so you know, it balanced itself out, evened it out, whatever. Tomato.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.